Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking farro in the Instant Pot. So what we need is 1 cup of farro, 1.5 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and salt is optional. So let me open the lid of the Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of farro, 1.5 cups of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I will close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to the sealing position, press the pressure cook button, and set the time to 10 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Now, after the pressure has been releasing naturally for 10 minutes, let's quick release the remaining steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked farro. This farro looks amazing. Look at that. It's perfect and so easy to cook in the Instant Pot. Let me take it out of the Instant Pot now. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Tastes amazing. It's perfectly cooked, soft, with a perfect texture, and it's so healthy and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!